Burnley, 0. 0 shots on target as well. Asna, 5. I've got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? I've got 5 on it. We're smoking that hipster pack. Vincent Company in the bin. In the bin. Vete a la mierda. Para siempre, mi hermanos. 5-0, baby. That is what we are talking about. Shame it went back-to-back 6s. It would have been the first time ever back-to-back 6s in the Premier League. But I ain't crying. That was a great performance, man. It could have been 7, 8, 9. Let's just be real with it. But before we get going, smash the likes up. We're going to drink all them Burnley tears in. We're going to drink all the mutant tears in. Oh, why are you celebrating? You're not allowed to celebrate. Shut up. I'll do what I want. Cheers, guys. 14 goals in the last 3 games. 1 goal conceded. 2 shots on target conceded. We can now clearly see what is going on with the process. Whatever they did in Dubai, keep doing it because it's working. We've come back from Dubai and we have won 5 out of 5. First team ever in Prem history, I think, to win the first 5 fixtures of the start of a calendar year from January 1st. First team ever in the Prem to win 5 straight Prem games. The process is banging, guys. I'm taking full credit for it. Since I got the goggles, we've been electric, baby. Smash these likes up. Come on, hijo de putas. Come on, let's go, man. Vamos, let's go. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I'm doing a Valencia-Sevilla game at 8 o'clock tonight. Kenny's fan cam will be out. Jez's fan cam will be out after this as well. And Matty, player ratings. I'm sitting there watching the City-Chelsea game. 16.5 minutes gone, 0-0. And yeah, life's good, man. We've got the best goal difference in the league. We've scored 11 goals in our last 2 games. Martin Odegaard for the last 2 games has been absolutely unbelievable. What a performance. My baller as well, yeah? My baller, yeah? My baller, Trossardinho, and that. Is that what we're saying? Trossardinho back again. He probably could have had a hat-trick today. He missed a couple of good chances. He shouldn't have tried to round the keeper. He should have just pinged that other shot he had straight in the top bins. But I'm glad he got his goal. Listen, 29 got a goal. Nuts, the defender. I don't think he was great today, but who cares? We won 5-0. Yeah, 5-0 win. Kivior, by the way. Kivior. Quick throw-in, yeah? Quick throw-in. Do you remember when we used to have Becky B? Becky B taking foul throws. Now we have a defender that actually takes quick throw-ins that lead to a goal. Maybe the process is banging, guys. Maybe I've not been able to see the vision because I can't see until I got the goggles, the Jurgens, the Germans, the Jurgens. We got the German glasses, guys. And yeah, man, come on. Listen, I am absolutely buzzing. This comment section is going to be full of mutants telling me, you're a flip-flop. Why are you celebrating? Shut up, man. I'll give credit when it is due. Yeah, and credit is due today. And it has been credit due every single game for the 5 games that we've just witnessed. The last 5 games Arsenal have played. The Forest game, a little bit of sticky moments at times, a bit iffy, pause. Yeah, but the other 4 games, complete domination of football matches. Yeah, we're barely conceding any chances. We're scoring goals, all types of different goals that we're scoring. Totally different goal scorers. And is it any coincidence, guys? I just want to throw this out there. Is it any coincidence that as soon as we bin off them 2 City players that are both injured, yeah, right, that we start actually playing football? Makes you think. No Jesus, no party. No Jesus, no party. All I hear, oh, Jesus, he's the glue. No, he's not. Trossard makes us more fluid. Yeah, Trossard don't spend half of the game on his backside. Yeah, Trossard links the play better. Yeah, Trossard is more dynamic than him. He's got better technique than him. Trossard is our best player. We look so much more fluid going forward. When we brought the king of Zamunda on, Eddie Nketiah, yeah, Eddie Murphy, yeah, as soon as we brought him on, yeah, we looked a little bit disjointed. Why? Because he's always chasing his first touch. He always looks off balance. He always looks clumsy on the ball. Slows the game down. But 5-0. 5-0. I don't think it was a penalty, by the way. Yeah, I don't think that was a penalty. But listen, we'll take it because we scored the goal. We got the early goal. What a finish from Odegaard. Yeah, that's what happens when you watch my videos, guys, which Odegaard clearly does because I keep telling him, shoot. He's finally had a shot and he scored. What a goal. First touch, immaculate, sets it up perfect, slappage. After that, up until that penalty that I don't think was, leave it in the comments. Do you think it was a pen? I don't think that was a pen, but either way, whatever. Yeah, that ain't going to get Burnley back in the game. Let's just be real. We were going to win it anyway. But for me, yeah, up until that point where we got that penalty and scored the second goal, it was a little bit, weren't really conceding any chances, obviously. But at the same time, we missed a couple. 29's first touch in the box from a great Odegaard pass went 15 yards sideways. It was like, mate, you're on 40 grand a day, bruv. Like, come on, trap a ball properly. Yeah, Trossard had one where he tried to round the keeper, and I'm like, bruv, just dink the goalkeeper. But all in all, yeah, that was pretty flawless. I can't lie. That was a pretty flawless performance. And let's be real, it's at a ground where we don't necessarily have the run of the game. Yeah, like we see Burnley the other week against Liverpool last weekend. Yeah, they're not a great team. Let's just have it right. But having said that, yeah, they're crap. But they had no shots on target. So as crap as they are, yeah, we put our foot on their neck and said, nah, not today, Felicia. Not today. Not today, guys. No mas. No mas. Yeah, and what I've liked about our team since we come back from that Dubai trip is the fact that we're making subs early because we're in a position of control. When people are telling me we're controlling games, no, this is controlling games. Getting goals. Then you take off Ben White. Ben White was brilliant today, by the way. Loving his shithousery, throwing the geezer on the floor. Kivior did it as well. Get in the bin. Yeah, Dute Inganoy from my Romanian G's in the chat. Yeah, come on, Chef Fadge. Yeah, Sunt Ferret cheat. My guys. Yeah, come on. But at the same time, yeah, we're getting in a position where we're scoring goals. We can now take Saka off. Saka was fuming when he came off. He wanted his hat trick, but at the same time, there's still another 13 games to go. Calma. We got Porto in midweek. Yeah, just relax, Saka. Yeah, he played well today. Yeah, all of them played well. Yeah, even 29. I wouldn't say he was trash because he weren't, but he didn't affect the game as much as some of the other players. Yeah, but Declan Rice again today, just breaking play, winning headers, slide tackle on the edge of the box, just cutting the game out. Martin Odegaard, superb again. Yeah, superb again. Yeah, like the centre backs, they're unreal, man. I can't lie. Yeah, and I've said this so many times. Chelsea have got a chance here. They should score this. Jackson, oh my days, he is trash. That should have been 1-0. That should have been 1-0. Squared straight across to him, 12 yards out. His first touch probably ended up at Old Trafford. Unbelievably doggers, that guy, man. He is rubbish. De Bruyne's in the box. But yeah, my point is this. We were superb. We were fantastic. Now we go and play Porto. Go and keep a clean sheet. And this is what I wanted, yeah. I wanted a clean sheet today. I predicted a 4-1 win. But I was like, after the first 15 minutes of that game, I was like, yeah, this lot ain't scoring today. Yeah, and them two centre-backs, yeah, and people get it twisted because people only clip me up when it's negative and toxic and they can get a load of traction off of the back of clipping me up. Yeah, clip this then, Io de putas. Yeah, how about that? Clip this. Gabriel Magalhaes has been our best defender, yeah, for about 18 months. Clip that. Mikel Arteta, 10 out of 10. Again, back-to-back 10s. Clip that, mate. And if you don't, I'll clip it and stick it out myself. Yeah, because I'm sick to death of people chatting rubbish. Yeah, I'll give credit when it's due. Yeah, and credit has fully been due today. It was fully due last week. It was fully due against Liverpool. It was fully due against Palace. Yeah, it's been fully due since we come back from Dubai. Yeah, every single one of them, yeah, to a man, has been absolutely on job. However, the job ain't done yet. So let's not get carried away. Yeah, Newcastle next. What idiot put that on at 8 o'clock UK time on a Saturday night, 9 p.m. Spanish time. Cheers, guys. Cheers. 9 p.m. Spanish time on a Saturday night. Cheers. I'm buzzing. And nobody's bringing me down, mate. 5-0. 21 goals in the last 5 games. Wow. 21. We conceded 2 goals. Bring it on, man. Bring it on. Bring on Newcastle. Bring on Porto. Get the job done. Keep a clean sheet. Get a goal or two. Yeah, I think two goals would be enough to get us through. 2-0 win. Go and slap Newcastle up. I think they drew today. And yeah, man, we move on. All in all, I am absolutely buzzing. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Kenny's up next. Jez, Matty, and then player ratings. Player ratings are going to be good again. So yeah, big up to everyone locked in, man. Lee reacts as well. Millimeters from 25k. So make sure you go and sub to that. I'll be there for Valencia, Sevilla at 9 p.m., 8 p.m. UK time. So yeah, big up to everyone locked in, man. We're out. Adios, amigos. Since I got the goggles, the process is banged. I can see clearly now. The rain has gone. Hey, I got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? I got 5 on it. Yeah, come on, man. Listen, what a performance. What a performance. And do you know what's crazy? One thing I'm going to say before I wrap this up, yeah? You know what's crazy? It's nice to be able to sit there and watch the team I've supported nearly 4 decades actually play proper football. Yeah? Cool. We're out of here.